How much money can you withdraw from Coinbase daily? Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. How much money can you withdraw from Coinbase daily? Before I get into the specifics, I want to take a moment to talk about the importance of understanding your withdrawal limits. This is especially important if you're planning on using Coinbase to buy or sell cryptocurrency. Why is it important to understand your withdrawal limits? There are a few reasons why it's important to understand your withdrawal limits. First, it can help you avoid getting your account suspended or banned. Second, it can help you avoid paying high fees. Third, it can help you avoid delays in your withdrawals. What are Coinbase withdrawal limits? Coinbase has a few different withdrawal limits, depending on the type of account you have and the currency you're withdrawing. Verified users can withdraw up to $25,000 per day. Unverified users can withdraw up to $2,500 per day. Institutional users can withdraw up to $100,000 per day. In addition to these daily limits, Coinbase also has a monthly limit of $100,000. This means that you can't withdraw more than $100,000 from your account in a single month. How to increase your withdrawal limits? If you want to increase your withdrawal limits, you can verify your identity with Coinbase. This process usually takes a few days. Once you're verified, you'll be able to withdraw up to $25,000 per day. If you need to withdraw more than $25,000 per day, you can contact Coinbase customer support. What are the fees for withdrawing from Coinbase? Coinbase charges a fee for withdrawing cryptocurrency. The fee varies depending on the type of cryptocurrency you're withdrawing and the amount you're withdrawing. In general, the fees are higher for smaller withdrawals. For example, the fee for withdrawing $100 of Bitcoin is typically higher than the fee for withdrawing $1,000 of Bitcoin. How to avoid delays in your withdrawals? There are a few things you can do to avoid delays in your withdrawals. First, make sure that your account is verified. Second, make sure that you're withdrawing to a wallet that you own. Third, make sure that you're following Coinbase withdrawal instructions carefully. Understanding your withdrawal limits is important if you're planning on using Coinbase to buy or sell cryptocurrency. By following the tips in this article, you can avoid getting your account suspended or banned, paying high fees, and experiencing delays in your withdrawals. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, I'll say goodbye. Thanks for watching.